Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wealthy Coin. Shitoshi said that this post for Shiba Inus will make the internet go crazy. News about Shiba Inu have had a great month so far in August. The worth and price of the token have gone through the roof, and it has been added to one of the best platforms. There was a huge 42% rise in the price of Shiba Inus in just one day, but the total gain for the day was 33.7%, having made a swing high of $0.180. Shib has been going back up, which could mean that investors are taking gains. We'll talk about Shitoshi's claim that this Shiba Inu post will make the internet go crazy in this video. News about Shibas, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to see our newest videos about expert analysis and Shiba Inu price estimates. Let's start the video right away. There was a huge 42% rise in the price of Shiba Inus in just one day, but the total gain for the day was 33.7%. It looks like this move will keep going until the meme coin hits a stable support level at $0.130. The price of the Shiba Inu sometimes went down to repeat the point of control, park, at $0.118. The most trades happened at this level since April 11th, and it should officially be used as a support level. Those who want to catch the next possible rise can look for a bounce off of these two levels. People in the market think that the Shiba Inu price will either hit a new all-time high at $0.180 or break through this barrier and head for the $0.200 support level. An expected 50% rise in the next leg is what investors can look forward to, but only if the Bitcoin price doesn't drop. If the Bitcoin stays flat or goes up, the case for Shib going up makes sense. If Shiba Inu's price fails to stay above the POC at $0.118 and closes below every day, on the other hand, the bullish theory will be shown to be false. If that happens, Shiba Inu's price might drop 10% and try to break through the $0.106 level again. Stats show that Shiba Inu is the 15th biggest cryptocurrency and the second largest meme coin. In the beginning, it was just a joke token like Dogecoin, which is a way to give and receive money. It has, however, changed into a special cryptocurrency that is more useful now. Recent news about cryptocurrencies includes Shiba Inu. On June 27, 2022, the much-anticipated Bone Farms plan won the community vote with a majority of 97.88%. Each player gets 4 tokens, and Bone is one of them. There are 4 ecosystems in the Shiba Inu world: Shiba Inu, Leash, and the Shiba Swap. These 4 ecosystems grow, trade, and give rewards. In September, the long-awaited Ethereum merge will happen. This will finish Ethereum's change from a proof-of-work system to a proof-of-stake system. The merge will also change Ethereum's monetary policy, which will lower the amount of ETH and make the network more eco-friendly. There will be less growth in Ethereum after the merge. According to experts, Ethereum will always be inflationary, even with fee burns, but Bitcoin will always be deflationary. This merge is a big deal for Ethereum Classic, at least in terms of attention. People often think of Ethereum Classic as the less popular and less recognized sibling of Ethereum. It is a fork of the Ethereum blockchain that happened because of a disagreement among Ethereum developers. Because Ethereum Classic will still use proof of work, it is now seen as a safe haven for Ethereum miners who want to switch to a different coin. According to what experts say will happen, when the merge change goes live, the crypto will be cut in half 3 times. They think that since halving has mostly ended well for Bitcoin, it is possible that Ethereum's value will also go through the roof right away, since the two are very closely linked. How the triple splitting event raised the value of Ethereum and why it was so important. After the merge upgrade is released, the Ethereum network will switch to the PoS consensus method. Through a process called burning, the amount of ETH in circulation will drop by about 80% to 90%. This will put negative pressure on the network and is the same as having the Bitcoin system 3 times. It's time for Ethereum to triple halve. Together, the EIP 1599 protocol, which is also called the Ethereum London fork, and the PoS consensus method will make it much harder to get ETH. After this event, there will likely be a huge rise in demand for Ethereum in the coming months. Bluebit.io, a trading site for multiple assets, including cryptocurrencies, has recently hinted that Bone Shiba Swap might be added. The brand new cryptocurrency exchange recently sent out a tweet tagging Shitoshi Kusama, the lead developer of Shiba Swap, and confirming that the most famous cryptocurrency with a dog theme, Shib, would be listed. Another thing Bluebit EO did was let the Shiba Inu community know that the governance token of the Shiba Inu ecosystem would soon be listed on their website. Bone. A tweet from Bluebit.io said, Shida we've added Shib to Bluebit.io. Would you like to see Bone on the list? Kusama was thrilled when she saw the tweet and said, yes, that would be great. Bluebit.io is a unique tool for trading forks, SFDs, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. It has offices in both St. Vincent and Dubai. The exchange makes it possible for people to trade cryptocurrency for much less money and with more safety. At the moment, the multi-asset trading platform allows more than 700 trading instruments across 7 asset classes. These include Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Shiba Inu, and other major cryptocurrencies. The Ethereum ETH blockchain is where the Shiba Inu currency lives. When too many transactions happen at once and slow down the network, gas or transaction fees go up. This makes it more expensive to do trades on apps that run on the Ethereum blockchain. When Shib released their non-fungible token, NFT, last year, they ran into this problem. At one point, petrol fees went up to $800 for every transaction. Developer group Unification Foundation says that a new Layer 2 blockchain called Shibarium could be released by the third quarter of 2022. This would help solve the problem. The public beta testnet for Shibarium is set to go live in the third quarter, to happen at the same time as the fund testnet change. Updates for the IBC, Gravity, and W Fund, which are all very much expected. People will be able to fully connect with the network on the public beta testnet, which will include the validation process. Check out a post from the Unification Foundation. Binance BNB has a crypto Visa debit card that works with Google Pay and Samsung Pay. There are no fees to sign up, renew, or get the card. When you use the Binance card to make a purchase, you can instantly change your coin into euros. You can also spend euros right from your funding pocket. The FAQ section of the Binance website said that Shiba teamed up with Binance 2 weeks ago to make the Binance card work with its coin. So, Shib can now be used to pay for things in some European countries, and users can get 8% BNB cashback with no forks or other fees. Shannon Bray, who is running for Senate in North Carolina in 2022, asked on Twitter, do you think Shib will break the 0.1770 this evening? I do, and I think the international market will go crazy for it. Either this tweet will still be funny in 24 hours, or it won't. I think the word Shibarmi will do better. Also, the noise will be turned up tonight. Some people think that Shannon Bray's tweet from a few days ago may have caused the Shib price to rise. He also wrote that the Shib has had a great 24 hours of trading. Hashtag Shib 24-hour stream. You probably don't care about this, but for me, today has been great because I've been holding some Shib. In just 24 hours, the word Shibarmi grows by 976%, which is almost 400%. Lol, that's not bad. Check out his tweet. Besides this, he shared about Bluebit.io, a cryptocurrency exchange based in St. Vincent and the Grenadines that listed Shiba Inu and made a video with graphics showing Shib's best features. Shib gave hints 2 weeks ago that it was going to release a new game called Shiba Eternity. This game was made by Playsight Studios in Australia, and it will be available for both Android and iOS devices.